po sa atin ngayon nagbabakasyon dahil holiday, it's President's Day, pero ngayong hapon, ito pong ating kasama, parang walang bakasyon, hindi nagpapahinga. Dolphy still here at sikat na sikat pa rin po after 65 years in show business, still very much loved. Tito Dolphy, staying power, what do you think is your secret? Kanina yung secret nyo daw for looking young, mga problema. Ngayon naman staying power, what is your secret?
I don't know, but I think somebody up there likes me so much. Pasalamat ako sa kanya sa sobrang biyaya at tagumpay na binikaloob siya sa akin sa pag-aartista. And saka marami nagdadasal sa akin mga tagahanga.
Ayan. At isa po sa mga tagahanga joining us today on the phone, Manuel is on the line. Magandang hapon sa iyo, Manuel. Are you there? Hello? Ayan, nako. Nainip si Manuel. Binaba ang Marina is on the line. Hi, Marina.
Hi, Janelle.
Yes, go ahead.
Hi, Tito Dolphy.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. First of all, I just want to congratulate you on your longevity, and I just want to know what can you say about, what happened to Nida Blanca?
Yeah, that's nakakakuan yan. I miss her. She's my favorite leading lady, and we click together. Hanggang ngayon, unsolved pa rin yung problem ng kanyang case. I don't know, I was talking to the daughter, Kay, I think Kay is based here, and up to now, the number one suspect, which is the ex-husband, si Rod, died, I think. He died already here in Los Angeles. And still, he's not satisfied that the case is closed.
All right.
He still thinks that somebody out there is still out and, free and for what he did or she did to Nida.
All right. Well, thank you for that question. Kay, is our next caller, or Ray? Magandang hapon sa'yo.
Oh, magandang hapon sa'yo.
Yes.
Magandang hapon, Ray.
Ano ba, paring Golay?
Golay. That was my name way back no 50s pa.
Sabihin mo nga kay Kwanyo sa MC na talagang si Golay ka. Yun ang nag-start ka bilang Golay.
Golay, totoo yun. Tama ho yun.
Ayan, naalala niyo pa po, Mang Ray. May tanong po kayo kay Tito Dolphy? Ayan, I think we lost him. But yung from Golay to ngayon, Juan, nobody but one. What's exciting about this, earlier we talked about that, it's going to air sa AMC, which is a mainstream, big theater chain talaga yan. Can you tell us more about this?
Well, I think we will enjoy nobody but one. Because lahat ng nakausap namin, they enjoy the movie. Lumalabas sila na they are satisfied and with a feel-good movie.
All right. Abangan niyo po mamaya. That's the website on the screen if you want to get more information. Marami po silang screenings. It's also going to be shown in Honolulu, in Hawaii. So panoorin niyo po yan. But meanwhile, back on the studio, back on the set, Hanibar is on the line? Is that your name? Did I pronounce it correctly? Hanibar?
No, Amador.
Amador. Hello and welcome to Kababayan, LA.
Kumusta kayo, Tito Dolphy?
Mabuti naman, Amador.
Paborito ho kayo ng mother ko nung nasa Pilipinas, taga San Pablo City po ako.
San Pablo?
Opo,
salamat.
Lagi po natin pinapanood po, Tito Dolphy, yung inyong programang Jan and Marcia, lalo na yung mother ko, lagi namin kayo panonood. Ako tuwa nga, nakita ko kayo.
Saan nandun ang mother mo?
The line got cut. All right. Earlier we said controversies. Another controversy, you mentioned na yung pag-sign nyo ng deal with ABC5, that was already cleared. What about yung pag-endorse daw sa presidential elections ngayon? Some people are making a fuss out of it. Nagulat sila na you endorse a certain presidential.
Well, I like Bill to be a president. I think he will do good. I hope so. I pray so. Na palagay ko, mas maganda kung siya magiging presidente.
And the thing is, I guess the controversy stems from before talagang kaibigan nyo si Erap.
Si Erap, kaibigan ko lahat sila eh. So, siyempre, merong magdaramdam dyan, pero ang hirap din sa ating, hindi ba pwedeng kanya-kanya tayo opinion, di ba? So, Kung anong gusto nyo iboto, kung sino gusto nyo presidente, nasa sa inyo yun.
Ayan.
Pero sa akin, bigyan nyo naman ako ng chance, mamili ng aking gusto.
And
Kanya-kanya,
I
di ba?
guess the key is agree to disagree.
Ayan.
Ayan. Alright, maraming salamat po, Tito Dolphy. I know that you have a movie. We mentioned about that. Nobody But One. The website that's on the screen, One, the movie. Go ahead, invite our viewers to watch.
Manood po kayo ng Nobody But One. Pinapangako ko po sa inyo na mag-enjoy kayo. At masarap po mapanood yung nakasama dito ang USA sa pelikula.
Alright. Thank you so much. One more block with Tito Dolphy. Don't go away.
Time Warner Cable's incredible limited time offer will make you want to ditch your dish. Call 800-800-CABLE.